Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys will be watching my room renovation video, which is so exciting because that means that it's finally done. I also wanted to let you guys know that this entire video is filmed on my iPhone 11, so if you like the quality of it, that's good. Don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and let's get into the video. Hi guys, it's May 11th and today is the first day of my room renovation. So I started by just taking off my old curtains and I'm gonna order my new ones in a few days. I already have them picked out, but I'm assuming it's gonna take a while for them to ship. So I have some makeshift Zupan bag curtains and I have Aspen here with me. But yeah, that's just my update. I'm starting and then tomorrow I'm gonna call in for paint. And I know that they do curbside pickup, so I just have to call in my order and they'll bring it out to my car. And I have putty to fill in holes in the walls from my old curtains. So yeah, at least we're starting today, right guys? And I will fill you guys in when I have a new update. Right, Aspen? We'll fill them in. Smiles! Okay, good night. Hey, so it is May 16th today and it's painting day. I just went and picked up all of the painting materials and the paint that we picked out, and I also went ahead and moved everything into the center of my room and took everything off the walls. And then I did the same for my makeup room. So we're gonna paint today, which is exciting. They said it should only take like 2 layers, so I don't think this will take too long, hopefully. Fingers crossed, but I am super excited. Okay, so we finished our 2 coats of white paint and I think it looks really good. I mean, we didn't have a primer or anything and it looks like it covered up the blue pretty well. So we're gonna give it a day or 2 and then we're gonna take off the tape and stuff and then we can move the furniture back and everything. And I ordered my curtains today, but it's gonna take a month for them to come. And then my rug shipped today too, so that should be coming in a few days. But yeah, 2 days of work getting the room painted and it's finally done, so I'm super excited about that. Okay, so it's midnight right now. I finished painting and took off all the tape and everything and moved around all my furniture and stuff for the way that I liked it, and I'm sitting in my bed. I hung up my Crater Lake picture because I've been so excited to hang that up since Christmas because Trent got it for my birthday. Say hi to my mom, the one who helped me paint and do everything. Tomorrow morning, I will give you guys a little quick tour. My rug is supposed to come on Wednesday and it's Monday night, so that's exciting. And then my curtains aren't supposed to come for over a month, so this video will have a while until it actually uploads. But yeah, I'm really excited and it's coming out exactly how I wanted it to and envisioned it in my head. So I'm really happy about that. It feels like such a happy space and good energy and stuff like that, which is finally, so yeah. Okay, good morning guys. Sorry I look I just woke up, but when I went downstairs to go eat, I saw that my rug had come in. It came in a little bag and I was like, it doesn't make sense. I literally ordered a 5x7 rug. Anyway, so I have it set up here and I like it, but I think I'm gonna have to get a under mat so that it doesn't move around because I was expecting it to be thicker, but it's actually pretty thin. Here's what it looks like with the bed all done and everything. I really like it. I still have the tags on it right there, as you can see, but I love it. I think it fits the space really well too. Yeah, I really like it. I might have to just get like a little undermat for it, but other than that, perfect. Okay, so I got these drawers from IKEA and they're perfect for storing like palettes and like anything else, any other beauty products. So I got 2 of them and I really liked it for using these top parts as a backdrop. So I just kind of put like a perfume box and then a neon lip sign that I got on Amazon, as well as an Audrey Hepburn poster that I already had, which I really enjoy the quote for. And I sit right in the middle, so it's perfect because I have stuff on both sides, and I plan on switching it up every once in a while. But yeah, so this is my new little background and storage. Yeah, I just want to update you guys that I got the curtains and they're everything and more that I could have like pictured with this room. I love them. So I wanted to show you what the curtains look like at daytime when light is shining through them. They look a lot more of a softer brown, rather than at night where they have really dark gray tones. They look really light. So this is the color I was hoping for when I purchased it. So I'm really happy with it and I think it looks amazing, and I love getting light in my room again finally. Oh, and this is my new plant. Hello, plant. And I just woke up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm definitely super hyped about my new room. It's so nice and just like happy energy and vibes and all of that, which is always great. Don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, beauties.